Hey, dear nature and gardening lovers. If you love your plants and want to give them the best possible start, today I have something that will definitely interest you. Have you ever thought about how much food we throw away every day? Vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, all of these usually end up in the trash, but they are actually a real treasure for our plants. Imagine that instead of throwing away those precious leftovers, you could use them to create rich, fertile soil that will make your plants grow faster, be healthier, and bear abundant fruit. And no, I'm not talking about complicated composting processes. There is an easier way. In today's video, I'll show you why burying food scraps in the ground is one of the easiest and most effective ways to enrich your soil. Experienced gardeners have been using this trick for centuries, and now it's time for you to find out how it works. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal which types of food scraps are best for plants and how to bury them properly to avoid unpleasant odors and attracting pests. I would also like to hear your opinion. Have you already tried this technique, or do you have any tricks for enriching the soil? Write to me in the comments. Now let's see how you can turn kitchen waste into real garden gold. The first thing you need to know is that not all food is suitable for burying. It is best to use fruit and vegetable peels, bananas, potatoes, carrots, apples, zucchini, coffee grounds, great for improving soil structure, eggshells, rich in calcium, which strengthens plants. Banana peels contain potassium and phosphorus, essential for plant growth. Stale bread, if you chop it up, it can improve the texture of the soil. What to avoid? Leftover meat and dairy products can attract pests. Cooked and processed foods can contain salt and spices that are not good for plants. How to bury leftover food? The process is very simple. Dig a small hole in the soil where you plan to plant your vegetables or flowers. The depth should be about 20 centimeters to prevent unpleasant odors and attract animals. Add food scraps to the hole and lightly cover them with a layer of soil. For an even better effect, you can also add some dry leaves or grass. Wait a few weeks for the scraps to decompose and turn into nutrients. You can bury them in the fall, and in the spring, the soil will be rich and ready for planting. Which plants will benefit the most from this method? This natural way of enriching the soil is especially good for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, zucchini, and cabbage. Also, root crops such as carrots and beets will have a healthier growth in soil rich in organic matter. As you can see, what we usually throw away can become a valuable resource for our garden. Not only will we reduce waste, but we will also help our plants grow stronger, healthier, and more resistant to disease. Have you already used this method in your garden? What are your experiences? Write to me in the comments and share your tricks for enriching the soil. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Let them learn how to harness the power of nature too.